Well, it is January 25th. It's about 8 a.m. Got another snowstorm coming in. Started snowing a little bit ago. Starting to pile up again. Saying that we're going to get maybe anywhere from 5 to 9 inches, depending on your area here. I gotta say, this has probably been one of the winteriest winters we've had in years. I don't remember in the past at least 10 years having snow every single day. I will say yesterday, though, it was sunny and clear, but the regular temperature was at one point negative 19 with a wind chill of negative 30, so obviously it wasn't going to snow for that, but yeah, well, here we are.